Hello, everybody. Today we have snow and sunshine. This is the perfect weather for a walk. Let's get started. As you can see, we still have some snow left. It is slowly melting and the weather is way nicer, milder than it was 2-3 days ago. This is actually the continuation of the video I made a few days ago about Kitten Oreo's very first experiences with the snow. If you have missed it, you can find the link in the description box below the video. Yay! Nemo has joined us! He is well disguised with his grey and white fur, so it might be a little bit hard to spot him. There you are. Hello, hello. Nemo was today in his element and he played a lot with Kitten Oreo. Look, a nose kiss. Aren't they cute? While Cat Daddy was walking with Kitten Oreo, Nemo needed a little bit of rest between the play fights. Good boy you are. What are you doing, Mr. Nemo? Are you drinking some melted snow from the flower pots? Of course, Kitten Oreo needs to know all the details. After a short break, the cats are back to fighting again. And this time, it's exceptionally Nemo who jumps onto Kitten Oreo. Just wait for it. 3, 2, 1, go! This is what a cheeky little sister deserves. Thank you for joining us. Please give the gorgeous weather and the gorgeous felines a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And see you next time.